Today I wanted to share with you a little bit different kind of tips and tricks. I wanted to share with you a piece of advice my dad gave me when I was about 4 years old. He said, Art, one of the only things you can do for free every day of your life is learn one thing more. And I said, okay, Dad, how do I do that? And he's like, well, every day you go through life trying to learn that one more thing. And at the end of the day, you look yourself in the mirror and then you say, have I learned something new today? He didn't have quite the eloquent words to expound on that, and I can't have that conversation with him anymore. Unfortunately, he passed back in the beginning of 2020, right before all this COVID hit. What he was getting at and what I've unfolded throughout my life is learning one thing every day and then reflecting at the end of the day and being comfortable with the person I see looking back at me in the mirror. And if I get to the end of my day and I can look myself in the eye, in the mirror, and there's nothing there except for gratitude and that one thing I've learned or more, then I've had a great day. And I wanted to share that with all of you. When you think about growth, are you thinking money? Are you thinking happiness? Are you thinking plants out in the garden? For me, when I hear the word growth, it reminds me of this story that I've now shared with you that my father shared with me, and how every single day I'm gonna grow a little bit more by learning one thing more. Thanks for taking time to watch this. I do appreciate it. I know how valuable your time is. Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.